Hello everyone, my name is Pranav and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, let's learn how to run Claude Code with local models for absolutely zero cost. So basically we will install Claude Code, then we will learn how to integrate with Ollama, which is serving the models locally, and we will do this entire thing in 3 simple steps that is in this video. Now you might ask, but Pranav, why is it important? This is very important for two major reasons. Number one, security. The setup is absolutely secure because the model is running locally on your machine. So if you are working on office related work, or maybe you are building the secure application, you don't have to worry about your data. Number two, cost effective. Again, because the model is running locally on your local machine, so you don't need Anthropic API keys. So you don't have to pay for the API users, but you really need something with local models and really efficient. Definitely yes, if you are looking for an advance in local models, for example an open source model like GPT-OSS 20B parameters, or the recent Qwen Coder 3 model, they are very powerful in fact, and you can achieve the most of your task using these models. So that's why you should definitely try this setup on your machine. Without wasting any time, let's start with the video. The configuration is going to be very simple, but just to make it even easier, I will create a gist file, GitHub gist, and will provide it in description. So after watching the video, you can just go over there for any command help you need. So perfect. So the step over here is to install this Ollama locally. Just go copy this command and open the PowerShell and paste it and press enter. Now it says downloading for Windows, so we need to wait. Perfect. Now we have installed the Ollama locally. Now what we will do, we will just write Ollama hyphen version. Then it shows the version, that means Ollama has successfully installed. Now what is the next step? We need to choose the model. What model we basically gives higher performance. Then I would recommend GPT-OSS 20B parameters, because it's quite good and gave us really awesome performance. And you can also go with GLM 4.7 Flash, as it's lightweight, and there are more recommended model. I would recommend it in description. And now just what we need to do, we will need to pull the model. Okay, now if I write Ollama ls, you can see there is nothing. Now I will go to this my md gist folder. Just what we will do, we will pull GPT OSS model. Now just GPT, what was it, GPT OSS 20B. Okay, just copy it and just paste it and press enter. Now this is Ollama is pulling the model. Now we can see it's about, I guess it's about 13 GB. So it can take time based on the internet speed as well. And till the time we will see, yeah, it's a 13 GB and now it is installing. But yeah, the speed is okay. So it will take time. Okay, now we have successfully pulled the GPT OSS 20 parameter model. Now, what is the next step? So, first of all, at this point, it is very important step that many people actually miss this, and they think that Claude Code for the local models are not as that much efficient, and they are quite low at weight. So first of all, what we need to do in this scenario is basically just go to the widget Ollama and go to this setting. You can see over here the context length. What does it mean? It determines how much your conversation local LLM can remember and use to generate the response. Basically, if you are giving a really long repo or has multiple files, Like if you are working in the production based code base, it has multiple files, and if you want the summary of every single file, then this context should be remembered by the model. So basically, I would suggest you to go to 32K or 16K based on your local machine size. If it is a very good machine, a gaming PC or a Mac, then go with 32. If you have really hard RAM and you have really cool setup, then you can go with 256. I would recommend to go with 32K for this and just save it. Okay, now that was the thing. Now what we should do, that perfect, this is the final step. Now we need to install the Claude, as I have already installed it. After that, how you will go with that? Now we need to just run the Claude with Ollama. If you don't have the install the Claude, then just install with this command, right? And now we will run the Claude Code with Ollama. Just copy this or and paste it. Yes, we are using GPT, so just make it GPT OSS 20B. Now just press on it. Now launching the Claude Code. Yes. Now just say yes, proceed. Yes. Now we have successfully set up the Claude Code. Now just run /init for initializing the setup. Now Claude is initialized. You can see it's basically welcome back to Lexi is due to, as I was working at one of the Y Combinator based company. So that what it I got logged in. So it will be logged out. Okay, now I just log out from that account. Now I just launch the Claude with GPT-OSS model, and it says the which theme you want. I said dark theme. Press enter to continue. Now you can just ask whatever you want. Create backend for to do and says enter. Now it's actually working with the what model we have chosen, GPT OSS to be. Yeah, you can see API billing, nothing is there. It's totally free, and we have also set up the parameters Ollama. In this, you can see that we have also set up the parameters for 32K, and it will give us the really good response and better performance. Now it will take time and it will run. You can see that's all about today's video. Like this, you can work with the Claude Code and locally working with it, and if you want any better model, Ollama has literally every models. You can see models. Yes, you can see Qwen 3.5 LLM. I told you that you can see literally it has lots of model. You can DeepSeek OCR model is also there for visual language model, and GPT-3 Flash. You can also get this on anti-gravity free, so you don't need to install locally. You can just install anti-gravity and you can go with it. So that's what was about today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.